So listen carefully. Okay. So basically, to download the spam sent update, first you need to identify the naming of spam sent update. So to identify the naming of the spam sent update, click on all support packages in the spam T code and click on display. So spam sent is identified with the letter D. D for doctor. It's loading. Once it gets loaded, I will show you. Because without the naming of the spam sent update, you can't download from the marketplace. First, you need to understand the naming of the spam sent update. So here is the naming. KD, D for doctor, basis B. So interview, they will ask what is the naming of spam sent update. So SAP KD followed by, so it can be anything, 740 or 745. So KD, okay. So now see, so now the present is 71. So you can also able to see in the home screen of spam. So 740, 71. So you need to update to the latest version. Okay. So now see, so for this you need to go to the marketplace. So I will close this one. So log into the marketplace. So support.sap.com or service.sap.com is the URL for SAP marketplace, and click on software downloads. So you need to log in with S user ID and password pass and go to support packages. Go to support packages. So listen carefully. Then go to by category. Then drag down and go to additional component. So additional component, here you can able to find the spam sent softwares which I'm going to download from here. Then again go down and click on spam sent update. Now select your existing version. So my existing version is 740. So click on 740 and browse here. And my current version is 70. So in the marketplace, the current is 79. So I will not directly jump into the high version. So I will go to 72 because my latest is 71. Just click on 72. So it will get downloaded to your local desktop. Right? So it is getting downloaded. As you can see, I think download is done. Here we go. So it is get downloaded. Now log in with user like 000 and user client 000 and user like DDIC. Now click on support packages and you can load from either from front end means SAP GUI applications, server means backend, which is your putty. So you can directly go to the application server. So for that, you need to copy those file to WinSAP from with the help of WinSAP, and you need to place in the server and anchor it, give permission, required permission, and click on from application server. So it will load those package in EPS in USR SAP trans EPS in. You can directly do that, or if you select the front end, so all the what I told, it will happen in here only, not from the back end, that is putty. So see, select 72, open, just click on allow. So all the comparison and after the compression, the packages that is pat file. So the patches will be in .pat and the signature file will directly uncar and load into the EPS scene if you select front end. And from the back end, you need to do manually. First, you need to copy to the server by using WinSAP or FileZilla or SuperPutty or MOBA Xterm. Any of the software you can use. And after that, give the permission 775 either by using commands or either from clicking on right click on the properties, which I have shown you in my previous classes. Okay, by right click, you can give the permissions like this, clicking on properties, or if you are familiar with the command, you can use the chmod command. And after that, if you want, you can uncar it by SAP car using the SAP car. Okay, if you do select those options, then you need to come here and select the application server. Okay, now I will decompress it. So now see, it has been decompressed and then deleted. You can see in the below pop-up. Now click on import spam sent update. So now see, so this is the one which is now going to update. Now continue. Now see, initially it was green, now it has in the red. So you can see the 3 dots. So it needs to be completely updated. So now see in the below, some phases are running. So after completely running those phases, your spam sent update will completed successfully. So what are the phases which are running here? So in tomorrow class, I will explain all those phases, and in the interview, they will ask this question compulsory. So for all the phases, so for the languages or add-ons or spam sent or any of the patches you are doing, so combined phases, what will be that? I will explaining you in tomorrow class. Okay. So any doubt till here?
Yeah, no, sir.
Yeah. So I will upload this video in the YouTube. So if go to the YouTube, and before this, there was a short class on how to start the SAP from Windows system from MMC. So that will also I upload in my channel. Okay. So go through that also, because apart from Linux, you need to work on the Windows environment also. So from MMC, you need to do start and stop, and you can monitor the work process from there also. So I will also upload that. So after this class, okay. So any doubts still here?
Yeah, can you please show me once Putty procedure app server?
Okay.
Yeah, we can do using a GUI, no.
Okay. So after this done, so I will show you from the Putty also. So let it completed. So once it is done, I will show you how to do from application server also. So same process, right? So from application server. So you also want that also that class? Yes or no? You also want to show it from the application server?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you know the commands. What I will do, I will share those files. So you try it on your own. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Because I have the recording, right? So see, restart spam. So now it has been done. So just go to spam. So for this, no maintenance certificate is required for this activity. Only for spam sent update. So here you can see it has been updated. So in some of the cases, if it is not showing in green, so just click on once again import spam sent update. It will run again for fraction of minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, and it will update. So this is the way you need to do. Okay, understood? So I will stop the recording here. Okay.